So you're thinking about moving to the Las Vegas, Nevada area, and you're looking for a single-story property in the northwest area that has a multi-gen. It is 118-degree weather outside, but we are still here doing this for you guys. So with that being said, as we always like to say on our channel, let the show begin, because we're getting after it right now. So if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything there is to know in regards to moving out here, purchasing, selling here in the Las Vegas, Nevada area, and specifically with this video in regards to the Northwest area, and if you're looking for multi-gen with your Northwest home, then of course make sure you subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so that you can be the first in regards to seeing which videos that we put out. Now on this particular one, we're looking at these beautiful single-story properties. Like I said, it's 118-degree weather outside, so I decided to do the second part inside the car where there is some AC. With this, guys, you'll see these two beautiful properties. One of them don't have the multi-gen, but the other one does. It's a little bit larger. I believe the second one is going to be the one at 2,754 square feet. And then we have our first property. It's going to be a little bit smaller than that one, about 2,500 plus square feet on that one. But again, enjoy these two beautiful properties. And if you have any questions, make sure you send us an email, a DM, whatever that may be. And we look forward to helping and earning your business in regards to helping you purchase, or like we said, sell here as well in the North Las Vegas, Northwest, or Henderson, or Summerlin area, whatever it may be. Take care, guys. And today, guys, we're going to be looking at Manor. Cut that off. So Manor is the one we're looking at out here in the Heartland area. We did another video on Summit a while back. So take a peek at that one. And this is going to be the larger one at 2754. Now again, this will be your 2-car garage area here, 3rd-car garage. Have everything somewhat built in on this. So basically what you see is what you get. We did another video where we explained a little bit of the scenario of what spec high. This one. This does have a gym. So this one does have the gin suite, right?
Yeah, it's cute. It's good.
So they'll, yeah, I like the openness of this. So that'll be your garage, closet, storage. Again, washer and dryer not included. And this is your gin suite. So it's a separate gin suite. You'll have your own kitchenette kind of feel. So single story and gin suite. And again, on this particular one, just like the other community, they're going to release these slightly one at a time. They do have an interest list. So of course, when we come down, when we bring you down, don't come here by yourself. When we bring you down, we'll talk to them about that interest list and see when the next releases are and all that kind of great stuff. So this great gin suite. So now this one you can enter on the side. So you'll have that paver where you can have your own separate entrance on the side. This is your front door here as far as the front of the house is concerned. But you'll have that paver there. Let me get you in there. Say it again. So it's a nice primary. It's just not as big as that one. Now, okay, when you guys see the other video, there's a community. WC. Great granite that you get in the front as well. Art. So it's going to be a garage. Yeah, I like the fluff part. They kind of do a little retro feel. Trying to give us a little retro feel of it. And we have a separate closet feel here. And then also right across the way there. And this brings you into the bathroom area. Brush nickels on my granite. The gin.
Yeah, like that little.
That's the multi-gin over there.
Yeah, bedroom and bathroom. It's not really a gin suite. It's just
It's an ensuite. It's a nice sizable closet. It's a fun surprise. Love all the fun art. Maybe they did UNLV students or something. It's really cool.